guys, so I thought I would do another day in my life vlog again today. I don't know if it'll be interesting because it's like I have no job, what's there to do, but hopefully I do some fun stuff. I just woke up kind of late actually, it's almost 10, and I'm gonna start it off with 30 minutes on my elliptical. I'm gonna talk more about the elliptical in my next video. That's gonna be a bunch of home updates that I'm doing and have done in the past month or so, which if you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen. So follow me on Instagram at Olivia Frescura. I'll have it linked below, I always do. So I just start with 30 minutes on the elliptical. The elliptical is very squeaky, so I only do 30 minutes because it starts to annoy me. So I just have my laptop set up here and I watch YouTube videos and do my little elliptical thing. So my first 30 minutes are up. I've got my morning coffee and now I'm going to show you how I make one of my favorite breakfasts right now, which is breakfast tacos. If you like breakfast burritos, you will love this recipe. It's not really a recipe, it's just like throwing shit together, but got some Amazon packages. Please open from the other side. Okay. Also, my choice of outfit was very bad, but I need to do laundry. Oh, what? I ordered this plant pot and it like even came with like a planter filler. What the heck? I got this really cute cocktail print at the Melrose Trading Post yesterday, so I got a frame for it on Amazon. I'm just gonna put that together now, and here we are. So here we have it, my brunch, you could say, because it's like 11:20 right now. So these breakfast tacos are so good and they're so easy to put together. I just get those little hash brown patties from Trader Joe's or the grocery store. Fry up some eggs. I usually use like the Mexican cheese, but I had that nasty Parmesan, so just use that. Microwave bacon, sour cream, and then on top I've been adding little Taco Bell hot sauces because I don't have hot sauce, but I'm trying to get into it. I don't really like spicy stuff, but I feel like hot sauce is good on stuff like this. So highly recommend you guys make these at home. They're so good. Just finished breakfast. It's so good. I feel like all the vloggers that I watch are like eating avocado toast every day, which is fine, but I feel like that's just guacamole on bread. This might not be the most healthiest breakfast, but I feel like it has most of your major food groups. You've got protein, fat, carbs. You just don't really have any fruits or vegetables, but I try to eat fruit throughout the day and then I have more vegetables during dinner, so there's that. So next up on the agenda, I need to do my other 30 minutes of my elliptical, and I really need to take a shower. I need to do laundry too, but I don't think I have enough quarters. showered, then chilled for a bit, and now I need to turn on the TV because football starts today and I need to find out what channel the Steelers game is on. I have a Roku, so I don't really know what to do. Oh wait, I do have the ESPN and NFL channels from last season. Monday night kickoff. Oh, I think I can watch it on the ESPN channel. I guess we're good to go there. ESPN channel if you have a Roku and you watch football, but I don't think anybody that watches this watches football, so sorry for wasting your time. So I have a headache right now, so hopefully this Celsius cures that. I have some spices I need to put into their proper spice jars that I have. I got these on Amazon. I'll link them below, and then I need to make their labels. So I'm just gonna get to doing that while watching some YouTube videos. Here we go, my little spices. Love it. So I have a bunch of leftover frosting in the freezer and I want to use it before it goes bad because I think you can only leave stuff with butter like that in the freezer for like 6 months. So it's a strawberry buttercream and I'm going to make a vanilla sheet cake. That should be really easy to go with it. So let's just get started. Love when it's in grams because I can just use my scale. I'll put a recipe on my blog below for this if it turns out well. If not, then we won't. That was a major plop. It's fine. Should not try to do this right now. Just need to crack them normally. While my cake is baking, I'm having a little snack of pretzel chips and this black bean hummus that I made a few days ago. Black bean hummus is okay. I think I like regular hummus better, but it was fun to experiment. I put some cumin in it and that tastes really good. So the cake is out. It looks great. I noticed that my dried buttermilk was like leaving clumps and they rose all to the top, so I'm gonna scrape them off and let this cake cool before adding my strawberry buttercream. It's time to frost my disaster looking cake. I cut, the best part about like freezing icing like this is that you can just cut a corner in the Ziploc bag and then there's your piping bag. So I'm just gonna pipe the frosting on here. That is very satisfying to me. Then spatula, just get a nice even layer on here. Then the best part with like sheet cakes like this is like you can just kind of make little swoopies all over the frosting. Then a little sprinkles for some fun pizzazz. Just very passionate about sprinkles. Ready to try my little vanilla cake with strawberry buttercream. pretty good, not gonna lie. I'll put the recipe on my blog in the link in the description, just in case you guys want to make a fun little sheet cake at home. So I'm laying down watching the Steelers game now. It's tied 3-3. I had like a major headache and stomach ache for the past like hour or so, so I just haven't been doing anything except for being nauseous and wanting to die. So did that, took some CBD, and I'm starting to feel better. I was just nervous because like if I was super nauseous I would probably just eat like rice for dinner or something, but hopefully in the next hour I start to feel better and I can show you what I'm gonna make for dinner. I'm feeling good enough to cook dinner now, so I'm gonna get all of my stuff and tell you what I'm making. For the third night in a row, I'm having some Trader Joe's orange chicken. It's literally so good, and I kind of just like spice it up to include vegetables. So I just kind of saute some peppers and onions, and then I also steam some broccoli, and I just kind of mix it all together. I actually don't have any more of the Trader Joe's sauce because since I do vegetables, I use more sauce. I'm going to be using this Panda Express orange sauce, which is very fucking good. But first, so for some reason when I make this, I use like way too many dishes, but pans, but it is what it is. Are very freezer burnt, but that's fine, I guess. Okay. It just cooks for about 10 minutes, really. As the water cooks out of the broccoli, I'm gonna add some of the sauce to the chicken. Then another secret that I've been doing lately is adding Trader Joe's chili onion crunch into this orange chicken. I'm gonna aim for less oil and more crunch though, because I already added enough oil. Just make sure you add this like at the last step because you don't want the crunch to cook. Then I'm gonna add the veggies. I feel like this does not coat anything, like that tossing vibe, but whatever. Okay, so here is my tasty dinner. This sauce is a little bit more watery than the Trader Joe's one, but it'll still taste good. I just use the Trader Joe's microwave rice on the side, and I just do the brown rice. But you can also make rice at home, whatever you prefer. I definitely recommend you guys try this vegetable hack for your next Trader Joe's run to get orange chicken. So just finished dinner and it was so good. The Steelers are winning, but there's still basically 2 quarters left. So we'll see if that sticks. But time for more wine. And then since I finished dinner, I'm gonna do the dishes and watch the rest of the game. Still watching the game and we're still winning, thankfully. And there's 13 minutes left in the 4th quarter. But I'm gonna end the vlog here because I don't really do anything interesting for the rest of the night. I just am gonna finish my wine, finish the game, and hope that we still win. And then eat a piece of cake, and then once my roommate gets home, we'll watch 90 Day Fiancé and Love Island because we are lame.